For this video, I decided to do something simple. And instead of doing anything else, I just decided to change the oil on my 2012 Mazda 3i Sky Active. And mind you, this is a Sky Active motor, not a 2.3 or 2.5. This is a 2-point Sky Active motor. So it was a pretty straightforward process, though mind you, I recommend not using the piece of wood that I did in the video. But other than that, let's get to it. God damn. I've seen much better days. Oh, God, I'm sketchy about all that. As normal, I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to hit that comment, like, or subscribe button, and smash the subscribe button if you can, but don't break your computer. Don't forget to look on my channel for more YouTube videos and all that other stuff on cars and cameras and other things. Yeah, just don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and that's it. Thanks for watching.